Alright, this coupon is for the Fimi A3 and it brings it down to $252.99. And the sale ends May 31st, so hurry up and get it now. So look in the description, I'll have the link to the code and the link to the drone itself. So right here I have the link up, and we'll go ahead and add to cart. You have to choose the GWTR warehouse, add to cart. And then you have to be logged in. And then you'll go down to enter the coupon code and make sure it's selected. And it's the same thing for the app. You make sure it's selected and then go down to coupon codes in the app and then hit apply. And there you go. It brings it down to $252.99. All right, stay tuned for more coupons and check out my reviews, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.